How to get AKA on Discord. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, all you have to do is go ahead and launch your Discord application. If you don't have the app, you can install it or navigate to Discord web. Now once you are successfully logged in, you can tap on the user icon. Then you have to go ahead and select on the option of edit. So tap on edit profile. Now in here you would see the option of server profiles. Then you will see server nickname. In the dialog box, you can write any of the nickname that you want to be preferred as. Now in the server, your friends or the members will see AKA and the nickname that you have set for yourself. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you see any of a difficulty, you can check out for an update. For that, just exit from your Discord application and open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Discord in the search bar. In here, if there is an update, just go ahead and leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And this is pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.